Aravind sir. So he's the main person who's keeping Bheem very good. So let's have a personal interview with him with Bheem itself. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning to everyone.
Yes, morning to everyone and YouTubers too.
Yeah. So let me ask you some few questions about Bheem.
Yes.
So what is the speciality which you're giving importance to Bheem?
Bheem is the national figure now. But in the beginning, it was just a 2-month kid. By that time, I recognized that it has some quality which can be extraordinary in some few years. So I brought up with very care and paid some extra efforts on him. And now he have proved that he is the largest bull in India, as well as he is a very pure breed of Murrah. It is used and helped to breed the buffalo breed in India. It will be very useful for farmers of our country. When we are using indigenous breed milk and organic material to eat or to consume, they are very beneficial to our health. Artificially, they are not good. My future goal for Bheem is first to represent this bull on international platform. From there, we have to take part in international competition, and over there, I would like to get first position for India with the help of my Bheem.
Okay.
And the other aim of mine for rearing this Bheem is that I want to help my farmers, those who are rearing the cattle. By the help of Bheem, we can improve the breed of buffaloes in all over India and also to the world, because India is having the best breed known as Murrah. It is very best, and Brazil already taken 20 years ago Murrah buffalo to their countries, and they are researching on it, and we have proved that it is a very outstanding breed.
So talk about farmers.
Yes.
Most of the farmers are just converting to other field, other industries. They're going
Yes.
out to other industries due to some issues which is India is facing in
Yes.
agriculture.
Agree.
So what is the suggestion and strategy to change everything about this?
I would like to request to the new generation that don't demand from government each and everything. New generation demand recruitment all over India and state level. But my suggestion, be the entrepreneur. Create your own business and give opportunity to other person whom you can employ. So don't rely on government. Government will help us, but we have to establish entrepreneurship in India. So farming is a leading industry, and we are the largest producer of milk in the world. So this industry can grow and can play a very important role in improving export. It can be the part of export. Milk product can be export in Gulf countries and all that due to high demand.
Great. So what is the importance of about corporate and disadvantage about corporate?
The corporate can use this bull, but they will work only for their benefit. Corporate value of this bull is 80, 90 to 100 crore rupees. But I have been offered only 15 crore rupees. Those who have offered me 15 crore, they know the worth of this bull. That's why they are offering me this much of amount. But I know it is a valuable property of my nation, and all the nation people should be benefited by this bull, because in corporate the price will be of its semen will be very high, near about 3,000, but I am giving to my countrymen in very nominal price. Very nominal. I make you sure that the semen which I am producing to my farmers are under my cost. The cost which I incur to make that straw, I give below than that price.
What is the food diet which you have
Food diet, oh my goodness, it is a wrestler. When we have to prepare a wrestler for national championship, the diet plan should be very important. So 2 doctors are there to maintain his diet, and all the food structure is there, diet plan is there to make him a wrestler. So since morning he takes near about 20 to 25 liter milk along with honey, 250 grams. Then he goes for a 2-hour walk. After that he came back and have massage over the body for oil for 1 hour. After that, many type of meals it has been offered, including ghee and all the natural resources which we have. As you told, you are giving cashew nuts, almonds and all that. Yes, I do, because the artificial multivitamins present in India are cost 1500 per liter. That is artificial blend. People don't know that, but I know. When we have a natural resource, organic resources on these vitamins and minerals, why don't we give? That's why the fruits and the seasonal fruits are very important. That's why I am spending lots of money for dry fruits to giving him, and that have proved that he has grown extraordinary.
How he is maintaining his silence all the time?
My goodness, it is the nature of God. God is the nature of God. So cool he is.
I just wanted to ask you some information about your family.
Yes.
What are supports that you are getting from your family all the time?
Yes, one thing is very clear. When you work hard, when you achieve something of national level or international level, the backbone should be very strong. My family, my sisters, Shishma and Lalita are my backbone. They are very strong supporter of me. So with the help of these two sisters and all other my family members, I have been able to do this. So I thank my family, especially to my dad, who has promoted for me this and given me opportunity to do this act.
Okay, you are so popular in South India. So you have been most liked person in South India right now. We have seen many articles in South India which is getting more than a lakh of shares. So how do you feel about this success?
First of all, I will thanks for that honor. I won't known that I have been popular in South India. It is the one, you are the first person who have informed me that I am being popular over there. My popularity is not there. It is the Bheema. A gift of God has made me famous in India. So at last we should all thanks to Lord that He has given me a good diamond in my hand, and we are having the black diamond in our hand. Thank you.
This is 26 months old, named Snow.
Snow White. Snow White. Snow White.
It is absolutely white without any other color. Or it is so cool, so calm. It values about 25 lakhs rupees. Or it is a unique. His height is now at the age of 26 months, 6 feet. It will grow up to 65 inch, which will be very recorded height. It is a very beautiful and lovely animal.
அவ்வளோ போராட்டத்துக்கு மத்தியில் நம்ம ஜவஹர்லால் ஜாங்கீர் சாரோட ஃபேமிலி ஆர்கானிக் ஃபார்மிங் மேலே ரொம்ப ஆர்வம் கொண்டு அதையே தங்களோட முழு நேர வேலையாக மொத்த ஃபேமிலியும் சேர்ந்து செஞ்சிட்ருக்காங்க. இது மூலமாக பல ஏழை ஃபார்மர்ஸ் பயன்பெற்றிருக்காங்க. மேலும் பீமாவோட சப்போர்ட்னால இவங்களோட கோல் இன்னும் அதிகமாக ரீச் ஆக ஒரு வாய்ப்பு கிடச்சிருக்கு. அவங்க பீமாவை பார்த்துக்கிற விதமும் இயற்கை விவசாயம் மேலே காட்டுற ஒரு ஈடுபாடும் அவங்கள மற்ற ஃபார்மர்ஸை விட தனிச்சு காமிக்குது. இவங்களை போல பல பேரை நம்ம Vlogopedia ஒரிஜினல் சீரியஸில் மேலும் காணலாம். தொடர்ந்து பயணிப்போம், இணைந்தே இருப்போம்.